Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right sponge and surface. Pick a dense sponge for defined texture or a softer one for subtle blends. Once dampened and wrung out, you'll avoid drips and control application better. Make sure to tape off edges and lay down a drop cloth so cleanup stays easy. Mix paint to a thin, workable consistency. Too thick will clump, too thin will run, because achieving freeform texture depends on balance between moisture and pigment. You'll work methodically across the surface, loading the sponge lightly and blotting so each touch deposits controlled marks. Use a mix of pouncing for stipple, dragging for streaks, and gentle twisting to merge edges. This variety creates organic, freeform effects. Once done with a pass, step back and let the paint become tacky. Layering semi-dry coats builds depth without muddying colors. As you continue, alternate pressure and rotation. You finish by refining edges and enhancing contrast so the freeform texture reads well. Use a clean, slightly damp sponge or a soft, dry brush to soften any hard transitions. This preserves the spontaneous look while smoothing. Add small highlights or shadow washes sparingly to suggest depth and guide the eye. Once completely dry, seal the work with an appropriate varnish. If something goes wrong, test corrections on an inconspicuous corner first to avoid larger mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.